In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut Mobile. So after you open up now your phone, go and open up your Binance app. After you open Binance, go to Assets. After you come to this Asset, go to Withdraw. From the Withdrawal, go to Withdrawal again. So in this option now, you'll be able now to see the list of coins. Now go ahead and select the coin you want to withdraw. So let's say for me, I want to withdraw USDT into my Revolut app. So after you select the USDT, tap on this Send Back Crypto Network again. So in this option now, Binance will ask you to add in the address of the USDT that you want to withdraw. So now go ahead and open up now your Revolut app and tap on receiving section. From there, you can be able to see the list of coins that are allowed to use on the Revolut app and select USDT and copy the USDT address from your Revolut and select the network. So now I've already copied my own. I'll just now go ahead now and add in the address. So now after you copy the address from your Revolut, don't press your hand and tap on this. Now here is the address. Tap on this option now and select the network. So from this option now, go and specify the amount you want to withdraw. After you type in the amount, now if I tap on this withdraw button, now the money will be sent into my Revolut mobile app. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe.